free indicator for everybody who's watching this video right now. Just watch this video all the way through. It's simply just a 2-minute video that's not going to take any time at all. And you're going to know exactly what you're getting when you're getting the Trusted Signals free bot. And you're going to know exactly what you're getting when you pay for the indicator, okay? On the screen right now is the paid indicator. As you guys can see right here, we have take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and we have profits on the chart. I'm going to show you guys the free indicator right here, the free indicator. This is the signals that it's going to go ahead and provide to you. So number one, okay, they are amazing, tools. We've had this strategy since 2019. We've sold this indicator specifically over $1 million in sales. Thousands of people have this indicator and they use it on their charts every single day. They use this specific indicator in confluence with their actual strategy, okay? So they're not taking these buy and sell signals blindly, but as you guys can see here, this is the free indicator and this thing is already printing. So imagine what the paid one is going to do. And if you guys don't actually believe me, these are the results of the paid one, okay? These are the trades that they're actually firing inside People's Broker, right? You guys can see this right here inside the chat. If you guys want to go ahead and join the Discord, link is going to be with the free link as well. So trustedsignals.com, click free, and you're going to be able to go ahead and join us and see everything that we have cooking here. As you guys can see here, this is real results, real traders, and they are getting results just like this right here, okay? And this is on default settings, okay? The default settings. So imagine when we actually have this thing, fully tweaked out. We have a whole mess of presets for different assets, things like that. This thing is gonna literally print. And people are using this right now inside the Discord chat. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Chris P. I run Trusted Signals and we help traders make more money. So if you guys want to make more money trading, if you guys want to go ahead and get the best tools on TradingView, I promise you guys, look no further, trustedsignals.com. If you watch this far, use code FINAL50 for the next literally, I think 24, 48 hours, and you're going to be able to get 50% off all memberships. All right, lock in, guys. Peace.